Hi everybody, it's the Dollhouse Curator and welcome to the summer of Quintessential Quincy. Y'all know we are focusing on our guys this year and it is summertime, so we are using our doll Quincy and a buff can body donor to be our model for this season. So I think this little hybrid turned out really cute, and y'all know we are going to be building him a space. So for this one, I wanted to go like really special and kind of do like an outside theme that was going to be really bold. So I found these canvas at Dollar Tree and I think they turned out great in the new space. And then I also decided that we needed to add another little something special to this. So I also decided to do a pool, and I used two additional canvas. I took the canvas off of one of them, so I just have the frame. And then I used some saran wrap and blue tulle and some LED lights to make this amazing lit pool. So after having the backdrop and the pool and kind of having an understanding of how I wanted to set up the space, we decided to go ahead and curate this space. So I'm going to stop here and let you all enjoy this tour of the summer of Quintessential Quincy. Hope y'all enjoy. New videos coming soon. Also, stay tuned to the end for a sneak peek of our upcoming Buff Ken summer wardrobe build and easy closet.